Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a rut? Like there's a fog clouding your mind, keeping you from seeing your goals clearly and chasing after them with real passion? What if I told you there's a practice, a challenge really, that thousands of people credit with transforming their lives, sharpening their focus, and unlocking a new level of motivation? Today, we're diving deep into the world of NoFap and exploring how this journey can be a powerful catalyst for personal growth. So, what exactly are we talking about? At its core, it's a commitment to abstain from pornography and compulsive self-gratification. For many, this isn't just about giving something up. It's about gaining something invaluable in return. One of the first things many people notice is a significant boost in motivation. It's like that mental fog starts to lift. Suddenly, the goals you've been putting off, whether it's starting a business, getting fit, or learning a new skill, come into sharp focus. This isn't just a fleeting burst of energy, it's a deep underlying drive. When you consciously decide to redirect your energy away from instant gratification, you free up an incredible amount of mental and physical resources. Your mind stops chasing short-term highs and starts investing in long-term ambitions. You begin to ask yourself, what do I truly want to achieve? And for the first time, the answers feel clear and attainable. This renewed clarity is the fuel that powers your engine, pushing you to take meaningful action toward the life you want to build. Now, let's talk about the superpower you develop along the way: self-discipline. This journey is a masterclass in discipline. Every single day you are making a conscious choice. You're choosing long-term growth over short-term pleasure. This daily practice of saying no to an impulsive urge strengthens your willpower muscle like nothing else. And here's the beautiful part. This newfound self-discipline doesn't stay in one corner of your life. It spills over into everything you do. You'll find it easier to stick to your workout routine, to choose a healthy meal over junk food, to sit down and study or work on your project instead of procrastinating. You're training your brain to delay gratification, a skill that is fundamental to success in any field. By conquering this one powerful urge, you're essentially proving to yourself that you are in control. You are the one steering the ship. This sense of mastery over your own impulses builds a rock-solid foundation for personal growth and helps you tackle other challenges in your life with newfound confidence and determination. Beyond discipline, this journey has profound implications for mental health. For many, compulsive behavior is a way to escape from stress, anxiety, or feelings of inadequacy. It becomes a coping mechanism that, over time, can create a cycle of shame and low self-esteem. By stepping away from this cycle, you give yourself the space to confront these underlying issues head-on. It's not always easy, but it is incredibly rewarding. As you progress, many people report a significant reduction in social anxiety and an increase in self-confidence. You start to feel more present in your interactions, more comfortable in your own skin. The constant mental chatter quiets down, replaced by a sense of inner peace and stability. You're no longer running from your feelings, but learning to understand and manage them. This process of reclaiming your mental energy and breaking free from a dependency can lead to a much healthier relationship with yourself, fostering genuine self-respect and improving your overall mental well-being. And if you find these underlying issues are difficult to face alone, it's a sign of strength to reach out to a mental health professional for support. So, where does all this newfound energy go? This is where the magic truly happens. You have this incredible surplus of energy that was previously being spent elsewhere. The key is to channel it constructively. Think of it as a river that's been redirected. Instead of flowing into a dead end, it's now irrigating fertile ground. This is your chance to pour that energy into healthy, productive activities. Pick up that guitar that's been collecting dust. Start training for that 5K race. Devote extra hours to your side hustle. Dive into books that expand your mind. Your productivity can skyrocket. You'll find you have more stamina, not just physically but mentally, to tackle demanding tasks and see them through to completion. This isn't about simply keeping busy. It's about intentional action. It's about using this powerful energy to build skills, create value, and improve your life in tangible ways. By replacing an old habit with positive new ones, you're not just avoiding something. You're actively building a better, more fulfilling version of yourself, one productive day at a time. Now, a journey like this can feel isolating, but it doesn't have to be. In fact, one of the most powerful elements of this movement is the community. There are vast online forums and groups, like the NoFap subreddit, filled with people from all walks of life who are on the exact same path. This is your tribe. Here, you can share your victories, no matter how small, and get encouragement from people who genuinely understand what you're going through. More importantly, it's a place to be vulnerable. When you're struggling, when you feel the urge is overwhelming, you can reach out and find support. Reading other people's stories of success can be incredibly inspiring, and sharing your own struggles helps you realize you are not alone. This sense of shared experience and mutual support is a lifeline. It transforms a personal battle into a collective journey, making the path less daunting and your resolve even stronger. Building these connections reminds you that you're part of something bigger than yourself, a community dedicated to self-improvement and mutual encouragement. Finally, let's be real. This journey isn't a straight line to success. There will be challenges. There will be tough days. You might stumble. You might even fall. And that's okay. The true measure of success isn't about achieving a perfect streak. It's about building resilience. It's about what you do after you stumble. Do you give up and slide back into old patterns? Or do you get back up, learn from the experience, and recommit to your goal with even more wisdom and determination? Every time you overcome a challenge, every time you resist a powerful urge, you are forging resilience. You're teaching yourself that you can endure discomfort and come out stronger on the other side. This process solidifies your long-term success. It's not about being perfect, it's about being persistent. The strength you build by navigating these difficulties is the ultimate prize. It's a testament to your character and your commitment to growth, ensuring that the positive changes you make are not just temporary, but are woven into the very fabric of who you are. This resilience is what turns a 90-day challenge into a lifetime of positive change. So there you have it. This journey is so much more than just quitting a habit. It's a pathway to rediscovering your motivation, forging unbreakable self-discipline, improving your mental health, boosting your productivity, finding a supportive community, and building incredible resilience. It's a challenge, yes, but it's one that holds the potential for profound and lasting personal transformation. Thank you so much for watching. If this video resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more content on personal growth and self-improvement. I'd love to hear your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.